Let's talk about one of India's most iconic companies, Tata Consultancy Services Limited. Imagine being part of a global powerhouse that has been serving some of the world's biggest businesses for over 4 decades. That's what TCS stands for, and it's a company like no other. With its roots dating back to 1968, it's had time to build an impressive portfolio of services across various sectors. So, let's dive into what makes TCS tick. The company operates under several segments, including banking, financial services, and insurance, manufacturing, consumer business, communication, media, and technology, life sciences and healthcare, and others. They're like a Swiss Army knife, offering everything from traditional IT solutions to more specialized services. One of the key areas they excel in is their TCS AD suite of technology platforms for clinical research and drug development. This has clearly been a game changer for pharmaceutical companies and biotech firms around the world. TCS also has a strong presence in financial services, offering cutting-edge cloud-based solutions like TCS BANCS and TCS BFSI platforms. They're helping banks and insurance companies stay ahead of the curve with their innovative technology. But it's not all about big-ticket items. TCS is also a leader in retail commerce platforms like TCS OmniStore and Gile, which have made them a popular choice for online shopping retailers. And then there are the digital solutions they offer, from intelligent urban exchanges for smart cities to sustainable services like Quartz the smart ledgers. This shows that they're not just focused on business, they're also committed to making a positive impact on the world. Now, let's talk about some of the financials. Tata Consultancy Services Limited has been steadily increasing its market capitalization over time, with a current value of 129523997736696. They've also got an impressive profit margin of 0.19016%, which is great news for shareholders. As for their stock performance, TCS has been on the rise in recent times, with a price-to-book ratio that's lower than many other Indian companies. Their dividend yield is around 1.68%, which suggests they're paying out profits to investors. But what really sets TCS apart is its strong financial position. With a debt-to-equity ratio of just 9.807% and a market capitalization of over $1,295 billion, the company has a solid foundation for growth. So why should you care about TCS? Well, they've got a diverse range of services that cater to different industries and customer needs. They're also committed to innovation, with products like Ignio and Quartz the smart ledgers showing off their expertise in cutting-edge technology. In short, Tata Consultancy Services Limited is a company that's not just good at being good, they're great at it. With their impressive financials, diverse services portfolio, and commitment to innovation, TCS has earned its place as one of India's most successful companies. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Use this information at your own risk.